In this video, I will show you how to set up call recording with your VoIP.ms account. Once configured, you will be able to record, manage, and get unlimited access to your calls for future purposes. To get started, log into the customer portal. VoIP.ms allows to record incoming calls, outgoing calls, or both. Let's get started with incoming calls. Head over to the DID numbers menu and click on Manage DID. Then simply click on the Edit DID button next to the DID of your choice. You could also edit all your DIDs at once by clicking on the Edit Selection, one setting at a time option. Scroll down right below the POP options and you will find a Record Calls option. Simply set it to Yes. Note that VoIP.ms will charge you 1/4 cent per minute for call recording. Once done, scroll all the way down and hit the Save button. If you would like to also record outgoing calls, you will need to set it in your main account, sub-account, or both depending on your use case. Let's get started with your main account. Head over to Main menu, then Account Settings. Under the General tab, set the option Record Calls to Yes and apply the changes. Finally, let's set your sub-account. If you do not use a sub-account, you may skip this part. Head over to Sub-account and click Manage Sub-accounts. Click on the Edit button next to the sub-account of your choice and simply set the option Record Calls to Yes and apply the changes. Finally, to access all your recordings, head over to the DID numbers menu, then click on the Call Recordings option. Here you can listen to all your previous calls, download them, or even send a copy to your inbox. And this is how you can set up call recording with VoIP.ms. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks!